Hello, today I teach you how to make a Vellius account. So first of all, you go on the Vellius.com website, then click on the registration button. After that, you can see because I already create my account, but I will teach you how to make a new account. So I log out from here. Okay, so again you can click on the registration button, then give the top of the page username, then give your email, password, your agent, purpose, etc, performance, anything जो है ना आपने give a referral code, then click on the next button. Okay, I will fill. Okay, here I type anything, you type that. Okay, then click on the next button. Okay, then give the first and uh, uh, last name, and then here select your country code. I am from Pakistan, so I click on the Pakistan. Okay, here is Pakistan, then there is give the number and then go to the next button. After this, the showing is the 6-digit code. It is saved in your inbox and uh, on your diary. So after that you can how to work here. So I go to my login my account. I will teach you. That is my login account. So you can see uh, the right side of the three lines. Click on that. There is the option. You can see dashboard, finance, deposit history, appreciate, document, promo, KYC, chat, and discount. Like that option is showing. But Vellius is Vellius company is the best company for depositing and earn money. So it is the first video. I am show you how to make a account here.